Recording you getting changed on your home log. Lovely day.
I'm with Ashley, again as usual. Ashley Curtis.
I didn't know you were going to say that.
Magnet fishing again. We come to the River Goit. Now this is the river that, well, we're actually in the spot that just before, hey look,
Use that when we come for fire.
we come to a spot where it's just before the start of the River Mersey. So we've been here before. We have fires here.
That stump's pretty much not there anymore. That was like out the ground, loads that. Last year.
That's where we have fires.
It was.
Do a bit of fishing. They look dead nice. Now we haven't been here for ages. So we're hoping to find some stuff in the water. There's a street sign over there. I can see that already.
There's a duck there as well. I could brought my rifle and had some duck to see.
Duck? Where? Where's the street sign? There it is.
And there's the duck.
Oh yeah, and there's the duck. Oh man, what's happened to this? Look, it's all scraped on the camera. Like I've dropped it. You've been playing with my camera?
No, I have not.
Anyway, Ash,
Yeah?
whilst we set up, I've been asked some questions.
Alright. No, I'm not single.
No, not if you're single. Why do you not upload much?
Because I've been thinking about this, and it's because
He's lazy.
it's not because I'm lazy, it's because I don't like putting the same stuff on as what you've got on.
It doesn't matter because it's from a different perspective, isn't it?
Well, I suppose so. I'll start uploading a lot more, and I'm going to do more on the chimney. I'm going to cook a full breakfast on the chimney when I get some money.
And what will it take to shave your beard off?
What will it take?
Yeah, that's what I've been asked.
The most beautiful woman in the world and £2 million. No, it's alright, I've already got the most beautiful woman.
Oh, nice back. See, I could edit it, so I might even cut that bit out.
I bet you will. It'll cost a lot of money anyway, so I'm open to offers. I do need a new motorbike, preferably a 600. I might shave it off if I get one of them.
Would you do it for a video?
No.
Would you do it if it got you lots of subscribers?
No, I would not. I don't care how many subscribers will get my beard staying where it is.
Should I just shave it off whilst he's drunk one day, passed out?
I don't get drunk.
I don't get drunk. You know what, I might start filming your drunkenness.
Right,
Yeah. Alright, let's get this magnet in. Oh, my moustache is back.
Moustache, your moustache.
Moustache. It's not working that well. There we go. Not working that well here. I wanted to go to the canal, but by the time I finished work and he finished doing what he was doing.
Well, because I'm not allowed my own private life, am I?
We ended up, basically it's full of school kids and we get mithered. And
What you doing?
yeah, what you doing? Why are you doing that? And we kind of didn't really want to get mithered, so.
Because Brad attracts all the weirdos, you see. Every time I go out with Brad, there's a weirdo who comes along.
Do you know those weirdos might watch this?
That's fine, you're all weird.
Not caught anything. Ash is going trying over there, so I'm going filming that. That don't count as a find. That don't count as a find. You filming?
I'm filming you, filming me.
You're just filming my backside, weirdo.
Ooh, look at it. Big and fat duck ass.
It is big and fat.
Yeah, big duck ass.
Ladies love it.
Waddles as he walks.
It's called plump. So, we found an amazing spot. Location, secret. This is our spot now, our spot. And I've spotted a safe in the water. So, I'm going to go and get it. Oh, I'm not getting in, I'm going to use my magnet. Actually setting up his. Got a safe! Got a safe! Ready? No door on it. Still, it was a safe. Yeah! Oh, I'm loving this spot. So, this spot is amazing. Found loads of stuff. There's like even stuff just up on the shore. Like look, like wagon rails.
I got my bottle.
Ash have found a bottle. What's it called? Hose
Sauce.
sauce? Hose sauce? Or Joe's sauce?
Oh. A H, not a J.
Huh.
That's it, that.
It looks like, that looks like a,
in it.
yeah, that looks like a really old bottle. Should look it up, Hose sauce. Anyway, here's my finds. Found a safe, car jack, shower thing I think, metal pipes, metal saw, a battery, a pan, loads of metal bits there. Not bad, is it? Defo coming back here. Definitely coming back. What do you reckon? Shall we come back here? There's loads of stuff. It's like, look up there. Just stuff falling out the hillside. It's like it's an old dump. Is that 50p?
Almost looks like copper. That is from 2006. Oldest one we've found yet.
So Ash is now finding money. Man, this is ace. There's loads of stuff still left, but we've run out of time. Loads of stuff. This is definitely a good spot, and I'm definitely keeping this secret. Right, we're gonna call it quits. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe. This spot is secret. I'm not telling you where it is. And that's about it. See you later.